In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Free Fire from Google Play Store. By the end, you will have Free Fire installed and ready to play on your Android device. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone or tablet. Look for the familiar multicolored triangle icon, usually on your home screen or in the app drawer. When it opens, you should see the Play Store homepage with apps, games, and a search bar at the top. Now tap the search bar at the very top of the screen. When you tap it, the keyboard appears and the rest of the screen fades slightly, showing that the search field is active. You might also see some recent searches appear just below the bar. Search for Free Fire by typing the words Free Fire into the search bar. Then tap the search button on your keyboard. The Play Store will switch to a results page showing a list of games and apps related to Free Fire. The official game should appear near the top. From the list, select Free Fire by Garena International I. Make sure you see the exact publisher name Garena International I under the app title. The app icon usually shows the Free Fire logo with game artwork behind it. When you tap it, you will open the app details page with screenshots, rating, and the install button. On this app page, tap Install. After you tap Install, the button changes to show a progress indicator. You might also see a download size message if the game is large. On some devices, you may be asked to confirm using mobile data or Wi-Fi. Once you confirm, the download begins and a progress bar appears around the app icon. Wait for the download and installation to finish. During this time, the Play Store will first download all the required files, then automatically install them. You do not need to tap anything while this happens. When it is done, the Install button changes into an Open button, and you may see a notification saying Free Fire installed. Next, tap Open on the Play Store page. This immediately launches Free Fire. The screen switches from the Play Store to the game loading screen, usually showing the Free Fire logo and some artwork. On the first launch, it might also download additional in-game resources, so give it a moment if the loading bar moves slowly. Finally, sign in using your preferred Free Fire account. On the sign-in screen, you will see several options, such as using a social account or a guest profile, depending on what Free Fire currently offers. Choose the sign-in method you normally use for games, then follow the prompts on screen. After you complete this, the game will load to the main lobby and your profile will appear, ready for matchmaking and gameplay. You have now downloaded Free Fire from the Google Play Store and signed in so you can jump straight into your matches. If this walkthrough helped you get Free Fire running smoothly, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple Android game guides like this.